I'm on the Weller channel. Today I'll show you what to do if your phone doesn't recognize headphones through lightning. Well, first let's check if there are any problems with the cable itself. There shouldn't be any sand, dirt or any other external damage on it. Also, check if there's any damage or if the lightning cable itself is clogged. Next, check for sound on your phone. Also check, you can try turning Bluetooth on or off. We can also try going into settings. Here we need to go to sound and haptics and check if your sound is turned on. Also check if it's there. Alright, next step, if that didn't help, try restarting your phone. To do this, hold down the power button with the volume button. So turn off the phone and turn it back on. This might help you. If that doesn't work, the only thing left is to update your phone. To do this, go here, check your account, and see if there are any updates available. There. Or reset your phone. To do this, go to General. Yeah, here's the software update. You can check if there are any updates here. Mine is up to date. So either reset your iPhone, reset, there. But this will delete your data, though it might help. Samuel Weller. See you everyone.